This is Jonathan Skinner live from Key Biscayne. I've just arrived in the Crandon Natural Park and been talking to some of the rangers about the change in venue from here down in the Keys of Florida, just on the sort of east of downtown Miami, and the relaxed vibe with the palm trees, very much tropical Florida, to the Hard Rock Stadium alongside the freeway with great access. And they were talking about the difficulty in expanding the site here because the land was bequeathed and they weren't allowed to sponsor, and it was the lack of sponsorship that meant loss of revenue. So when it came to modernising and expanding, the decision was taken to change the venue from here to the Hard Rock.